Okay? So you have defined what? The current. You have defined the mind, right? And you have also got the news, got the information that why you should help your parents. You are bound to them because you have borrowed from them. You are bound. Okay, right. Not only parents, now enlarge that. From whoever I got the help, I must return it. Parents must. Yeah, apart from parents, I have received my life help so many people. I am using the mic. Did I discover the mic? No, somebody else. I am using X-ray. Did I discover the X-ray? No, somebody else. So how many people's discovery I am using? I am using this. Who discovered this? Somebody else. So how many people have helped me or helping me? When I receive all the help due to them, should I not help them? Is it not? So our life is to help all those from whom we have received the help. Okay? So I must return to the society also. I must return to the society something. Otherwise, I am not living in the proper way. So you take Mansala yourself. You studied in the elementary school. Did you build the elementary school? And then sat and studied? No, somebody else. Out of his income, he saved money. He built the elementary school. He just went there and had study. Similarly for college. You did not build the college. And I am working in a college. I did not build the college. Somebody else. I go there. Then I go to the class. In the class, am I teaching the one which I discovered? No. Newton said like that. Schrodinger said like that. Einstein said like that. I said, no, I am only teaching what others said. Then what is my role here? I have not built any school or college. I am not teaching my own discovery. All borrowed. Then what is my role then here? But as a teacher, I am only quoting others. But when I receive the salary, if I say the entire money is mine, it's a crime. No, that's a crime. Only a part of that is mine. The other part should go where? Back to the society. Is it not? That is why the moral comes. I should help all those people from whom I am receiving the help. Teachers, your close relatives, or friends, anybody, your parents, just have a list. All those people I help. Some calamity happens in Russia, I do something. Something I give. So that kind of a charity. In fact, to my parents, if I do, that is my duty. I have borrowed, that's my duty. But doing something for the people in Russia, I have not even seen that. But as a part of the society, that's a charity. So life is not simply living for us. That is a cruel life. Living for us alone. You live for yourself, but apart from that, live for your parents, live for the society. That is a real life. The moral is there. Okay? So, the definitions Maharishi has evolved. Now I understand mind is a wave system. And from there, I can explain so many things. And coming to other parts also, Maharishi is giving a new lookout, a new look for the theory of gravity also. He doesn't accept the gravity as told by Newton. He modifies that. That's a different branch. What is the concept of Maharishi on gravity? It is different from Newton. So he gives a new theory for gravity. So many things as a thinker, he is giving us and making us elevated. Okay? With this, I will stop here, and if you have got doubts, I'll be happy to answer to the extent possible. That's all.